So another line which is going to go from here right across. Okay, I suspect this line is where we need to beat, and if we can beat it, then we could be looking at high prices on palladium. So for now, this area here, okay, so the 1360, okay, will be an area of resistance. We need to get above it, and then the next target area will be the 1490.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. Today we are looking at the Palladium chart. We're going to have a look at where it's been over the week and where it could be potentially be heading over the coming few days. Okay, so over the long term, what we can see is that Palladium's been under pressure, so it's been dropping. So it dropped in May, and it's currently down in June. However, it has dropped to the 1200, found some support, and it's bounced back up. We are currently looking at 1285 is the price. So let's go into the daily and just have a look at what we can find. So on the daily, we have this long-term parallel channel. Okay, as you can see, we've broken below it, we've confirmed. We've also got this area of support right here, this parallel channel. Okay, so as we've broken below the parallel channel, we've now also broken below this long-term horizontal line, okay, which is you've got a pivot right there. Okay, touched it, held it back, and went over it, and every time it's come back in, it's bounced off it, apart from right here, which is on the 4th of June. It's gone below it. It's retested it, so it's gone back to try and see if we can get back above it. Price have not been able to get back above it, so it's falling down. All right, so what we're going to look at is where could it possibly go next. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put another line. So another line which is going to go from here right across. Okay, I suspect this line is where we need to beat, and if we can beat it, then we could be looking at high prices on palladium. So for now, this area here, okay, so the 1360, okay, will be an area of resistance. We need to get above it, and then the next target area will be the 1490, which is the underneath of the parallel channel. That will become an area of resistance. Okay, so let's just go into the 1 hour. Okay, so on the 1 hour, this is the line I just put in. Okay, so that's the line we're going to keep an eye on. Can it get to here, which is that 1360? If it can, then you're going to have major resistance around the 1380, let's just call it. And if you can get over that, then we can go a little bit higher. Okay, just a quick view of the 10 minutes. Okay, so exactly the same. At the moment, you can see it's trying to bounce, trying to head a little bit higher. We've got a little bit of support around the 1250 to 1247. So this area here, we've got a bit of support. So if it does come back in, we might expect a little bit of a bounce and then head a bit higher. Okay, so that would conclude the chart of palladium. So if you like what you are watching, if you can like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification, and just help the channel to grow. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.